Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'll be making some banana nut bread. First, I'll start off by combining all of my dry ingredients. I have my flour. Next is my spices, which is a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Then I'll be adding in some baking powder and a bit of salt. And I'll just sift this through into a bowl and set it aside. In a separate bowl, I'll be mashing my bananas. I have here 4 bananas that I'll be using. Typically, you can get away with 3 bananas, but I had 4 that was already about to go bad, so I just added in the 4th one. Once that's all mashed up, I'll be adding in some vanilla and almond extract. Now, the almond extract is optional. I just like to add it in for a boost of nutty flavor. I'll give this a good mix and then set it aside. Now for the wet ingredients, I'll be creaming together half a cup of softened butter and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Alternatively, you could also use 1 cup of white sugar if you like. I just like the flavor that the brown sugar adds to the bread. I'll start off with a spoon and then I'll transition over to my hand mixer just to let this go by a bit faster. Next, I'll be adding in my eggs and giving that a good mix. And of course, all my measurements will be listed in the description box below. And then I'll add in my sour cream and milk. I find that this makes the banana bread very moist. Now I'll be adding in my banana mixture and giving this a good mix just to combine really well. And then I'll be adding my dry ingredients into the wet. And I'll be adding this in about 1/2 at a time. You want to make sure to combine the batter really well, but also not to overmix the batter, as this will make the bread more dense. And lastly, I'll add in about 1/2 cup of walnuts into the batter. And I'll reserve the rest for the topping. Now I'll add the batter into my parchment-lined baking dish. You can also grease your pan if you like. I just find that this is much better and quicker for cleanup. I'll top this off with the rest of the walnuts. And I'll pop this in the oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes. Once the banana bread is done, you want to let it sit in the pan for about 10 minutes and then take it out and let it cool on a wire rack for about an hour. And there you have it, easy, super moist banana nut bread. If you like today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like, comment on how you make your banana bread, and share this video with others. And last but not least, subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.